Hi. This is a depiction of the casing strings that are run to contain pressures and integrity in a Marcellus shale well in north central Pennsylvania. What you see here is 20-inch, we call it conductor casing. It's set to a depth of approximately 80 feet, and it basically supports the surface ground once we start drilling a well. This pipe is cemented in place, and inside of this 20-inch conductor we drill down to a depth of approximately 600 to 900 feet, or roughly 150 feet below known freshwater aquifers. At that depth we set a string of 13 3/8 casing. That's called the surface casing. That casing string is cemented to surface with the cement that you see in between the casing that's here and the cement. So you have this cement sheath that keeps fluids from transferring up the annular space. Once we set the 13-inch, then we drill down to a depth of approximately 2,500 feet. We set a string of 9 5/8. We call that our intermediate casing. That intermediate casing is again cemented to surface, and that again prevents transfer of fluids in that annular space, and it also supports the casing and adds integrity to the pipe strength. Once we set and cement the 9 5/8 casing, we drill down to a measured depth of approximately 12 to 13,000 feet. That is approximately 5,000 feet of horizontal section at a true vertical depth of about 7,000 feet. So standing on the surface, we're drilling horizontally at a depth of 7,000 feet, but we're going out to approximately 13,000 feet of measured depth. Once we reach our total depth, we run a string of 5.5-inch casing. That's called our production casing. That casing is again cemented with what you see here, and this is the casing string that's in place where we complete the well, perforate, and do all of our fracture stimulation work.